Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dash and Trade, and on this channel, we leave Walmart Spark stickers sitting in our car from the day before. Today, we gonna take it easy. You know what? I'm gonna do a couple orders, but I'm finna head on over to Walmart. I'm gonna throw these stickers away that I left in my car from yesterday, and I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping because sometimes you gotta take care of your essentials things. You know, you gotta get things you need. I need some ornaments for the Christmas tree, items for the house. Blue and gold, red and silver. I think my baby girl gonna want the red and silver. 2 bath rugs. What up, Spider-Man and SpongeBob and Baby Shark? Here, got some pull-ups for the kids, and what's this? Some hypoallergenic baby dove wash. Gotta make sure you get the right stuff for the kids. You know, some kids got sensitive skin. I'll go ahead and pay for these items. Cherry Dr. Pepper. Red Bull. Can't do no deliveries without no Red Bull. Got our shopping delivered done. Now let's get it dropped off to my house. Ooh-wee. Alrighty, so it decided to start snowing for real. Look at this shit. It's coming down. Oh shit, the Bluetooth. Sorry. Say it again. Can't hear shit. Say it again, I couldn't hear you.
I said I was at the window, I seen that it's snowing. Then I also feel all the cold coming through the window, so I feel how cold it is out there.
Yeah, go ahead, crank that heat up. Alrighty guys, we made it to our drop off. Look at this Spark order. This order is gonna pay us a total of negative $100 because I spent my money on my own shit. So let's get it dropped off. First door trash offer of the day. We got $4 for 5.9 miles at Gilberto's. We're gonna throw that right in the garbage can. Stop playing with me. But you know what? It's cool though, because look at this. It's snowing, y'all. Like, I know it's gonna be some orders out here because whenever it's inclement weather like this, you're pretty much good to go. You're gonna make some money. So let's see how fast we can make $100. I mean, I wasn't planning on dashing, but let's go ahead. It's the since I got a lot of haters and naysayers, it's 4:12 now. Let's see how fast I can make $100 and get back to the crib. Let's get it. First halfway decent order, $7.50, 6 items, 5.2 miles. Let's go ahead and knock that out. $7.50, 5.2 miles. Let's do it. Yeah, I'll do that. Well, made it to Wendy's, and Doordash decided to bless me with a decent add-on. We got $6 for an additional 3 miles, already going that direction. That's a hidden tip indicator. Let's get it. Alrighty, got that stack dropped off. First order was $6. This one turned into 8. So now we have $14, and I got my next order already. We're gonna be checking in at Walmart Spark. I got $25.50 for 3.5 miles. 2 orders. Let's go ahead and start that and head on over, get it done. Alrighty, our next order gonna be this little Walgreens shop and deliver. $9.25 for what's that? 3.1 miles. Let's get it done. It's a 4 item. The time is now 5:20, so it's been 1 hour and 8 minutes. Let's get this one done and see what else we can get. Trying to make $100 as quickly as possible. First order we did was a stack, $7.50 Wendy's order. Then they added on the Arby's order. Both of those turned into $14. And then I did a Walmart Spark order, $25.50. 2 orders, got it done. So that's $40 right there. Well, it's really 39, but we're gonna call it 40 bucks for the first hour. Now I got this $9.25 going 3 miles. So it shouldn't take me that much longer to make this $100, honestly. If I can get it done within this next hour, that would be favorable. But it may take me a little bit longer depending on what I'm getting. If I get a catering order that I have to wait 10-15 minutes for, I probably could just make it all right there. So let's go ahead and check in. Let's see what they got on this order though real quick before I go ahead and step up in here, because it's always a good idea to see what you're gonna be grabbing. They got some ice, they got some ice cream bars, some Gatorade, and some eardrop. Let's get it done. Easy. Next order of the evening, I got $7.50 for 3 miles, and it looked like they sending me an add-on too. And see, with this one, it's a pizza order, but they asked for a picture of the pizza bag, so it leads me to believe that it's a good pizza order. So we here at Pizza Hut, we gonna check in and see if they got it ready. What's this add-on? They say, okay, so look at this add-on. We got an additional $7 at Pizza Hut, which I'm already at, for 1.4 miles. I'll do that. My area, I got a double stack in the car, dropping them off, and they sent me the next order before I even dropped off the first of these two. $8 for 4.4 miles, ramen Fuji. Somebody want them some sushi. We finna go ahead and get that because that's gonna be a good tip on that one, even with the dollar. So I accepted that add-on that they sent me, and here's why you maximize right here. Doordash want me to go pick up that ramen Fuji order, but check this out. I'm not about to do it. I'm about to drop off this other pizza order that I already have, because just in case I get to ramen Fuji and there's a wait, I don't want this pizza to be sitting in this car. This customer is a good customer. They got a good tip on this order. They need this pizza. I'm only 2 minutes away. I'm gonna drop this off, and then I will pull up to ramen Fuji. That's how you maximize. That way, if it is a wait at ramen Fuji, this customer ain't gotta wait for their pizza, and I possibly can get another add-on. Let's get it. Stop playing with me. I'm the fastest dasher alive. Already got those two. You're welcome. Got those 2 pizza orders dropped off. Look at that. Now I can head over to ramen Fuji and pick that up. Let's get it.
How much?
Next order of the evening, we got $9.50 for 4 miles, and then they send me this add-on right here at the same spot. $7 add-on, additional 1.4 miles all day long. Pizza orders come in handy when it's from a good pizza spot. When it's from like a Little Caesars or, you know, them little shit pizza spots, nah. But when it's from an upscale pizza spot, then the pizza program works in your favor. So keep that in mind.
Okay.
Yeah, this one gonna be a good one. The time is now 7:05. I have been out at 7:15. It will have been exactly 3 hours. So we sitting at $47 on DoorDash and $25 on Walmart Spark. Seeing if I can get something on Uber, but we only need 25 more bucks and we hit that $100 goal. So let's see if we can do it fairly quickly. Like I said, in 10 more minutes, we will be at that 3 hour. So that right there would have clocked me at $33 an hour, but we're not quite there yet. So let's see what we can get. Well, that didn't take long. I got that last offer I was waiting on. $16.83 for 14.4 miles. Now this is not an offer I would normally take, but guess what? It's going by my house. It's Johnny Carino's is an expensive restaurant out here. So this one could easily turn into 20 bucks. So by me taking this offer, it can probably go up to 20, it might not, but it's gonna put me close enough. Well, it looks like we got super lucky on this one. It's telling me to take a picture of my catering bag. Alrighty, we got our catering order dropped off. Got it dropped off at the door. Okay, stayed the same. I did $74.32, and on another dash I did $14. Both of those dashes together, my total time, let's see, I got 2 hours and 55 minute dash time on the dash where I made $74.30, and I have 43 minutes on the other dash. So that's a total of 3 hours and 43 minutes. So in 3 hours and 43 minutes, I was able to make $14 on my first dash, $74.32 on my second dash, and on Walmart Spark, I had only one order today, and that order paid $25.50. I got all of that done in 3 hours and 45 minutes. So in 3 hours and 45 minutes, I made $113.82. So let's go ahead and do some math. We're gonna take that total and we're gonna divide it by not 4 hours, but 0.75 hours because we worked 3 hours and 45 minutes. So we're gonna divide that by 3.75, and I made my $113.82. That gives me an hourly rate, an hour wage of $30.35 per hour. And I ain't get no Grubhubs. That was just with DoorDash and Walmart Spark. So let's get it. If you like this video, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next.